In this video, I will be showing you how to install Duolingo desktop app in Windows PC or laptop. So let's get started. For this, just go to search and type store. We will be having the Microsoft Store. Open it and search for Duolingo. We'll be having this Duolingo app language lessons. Select it and just click on get. This will take some time to download and install, so just be patient. Once it is done, we'll be getting this open option, and if I go and search for Duolingo, we'll be having this Duolingo app. You can create a shortcut for this. So just open it, and here we can just click on get started, or if you already have an account, you can simply sign in. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.